ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघायते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदीनतारिणं श्रीपरमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्यमीश्वरम्। हरे कृष्ण। I welcome all of you for our daily Gaur Katha session. Yesterday we saw how Nimai, who is the Supreme Lord Himself, who teaches everyone of everything in this world, Vedaham Samatittani, the Supreme Lord, He knows everything. And Nimai is learning to walk from Jagannath Mishra. एक दिन, एक रात को, वन नाइट, सची माता वह स्लीपिंग, सो रही थी, और एक कक्ष में, गृह में, रूम में, और जगन्नाथ मिश्रा और एक रूम में, दूसरे रूम में सो रहे थे। सची माता के संग निमाई सो रहे थे। और रात के अंधेरे में जोर जोर से आवाज आने लग गया, और इतना जोर जोर से आवाज आने लग गया जैसे मानो कोई सिपाही लोग चल चल के आ रहे हैं। और सची माता का नींद खुल गया, और जब नींद खुल गया, सची माता देखी कि बहुत सारे सिपाही एकत्रित होके आ रहे हैं। और सची माता उठ के बैठ के गौर से देख रही थी, और फिर उनके पीछे अलग अलग सुंदर कपड़े पहने हुए, ब्यूटीफुल, अत्यंत सुंदर, उनका शरीर से अत्यंत सुगंध निकल रहा था। बहुत बड़े बड़े देवगण के जैसे दिखते हुए लोग आने लग गए, और सची माता के आंखों के सामने सारे देवतागण निमाय जो सो रहा था उनको उठाए, और देखते ही ऐसे हाथ हिलाने से सची माता के आंगन में एक अत्यंत बहुमूल्य रत्न से जड़ा हुआ एक सिंहासन बन गया। और उस सिंहासन में सारे देवता लोग निमाय को बिठा दिए, और अलग अलग सुंदरी स्त्रियां, उर्वशी जैसे सुंदरी स्त्रियां सब अलग अलग पात्र में बहुत सुगंधित जल लेके आए, और सची देवी के सामने अभिषेक करने लग गए। कुछ कुछ देवता लोग कीर्तन करने लग गए, कुछ कुछ देवता लोग परिक्रमा लगाने लग गए, और ये सब सची देवी के आंखों के सामने हो रहा है। सची देवी इतने चिंतित हो गई, उनको भय नहीं लग रहा था कि ये इन तरह के लोगों को देख के पर वो जब देखे कि निमाई को वो बिना पूछे लेके चले गए और इस तरह व्यवहार कर रहे हैं, वो निमाई की सुरक्षा की वजह से अत्यंत भयभीत हो गई। और सची देवी फिर से दौड़ के जाके निमाई को उठाए, सारे वो जो रत्न सिंहासन था एंड उठा के निमाई को बोलने लगे, निमाई पिताजी के जगह पे, पिताजी के रूम में चल जाके सो जाओ। और जब निमाई चलने लग गए तो सची देवी को इतना सुंदर घुंघरू का आवाज, नुपुर का आवाज आने लग गया। हालांकि निमाई के शरीर में कोई भी आभूषण नहीं था और जाते समय निमाई का पूरा स्वरूप और शरीर कृष्ण का रंग, श्याम रंग में परिवर्तन हो गया, मोर मुकुट आ गया और सारे देवता लोग निमाई के पीछे पीछे जाने लग गए और निमाई पीछे मुड़ के बताने लग गए, आप मेरे पीछे पीछे मत आइए, आप मेरे पीछे पीछे मत आइए, आप जाके भगवान का नाम लीजिए, राधे गोविंदा, राधे गोविंदा, गोविंदा माधवा दामोदर। इस तरह निमाई चित्कार करने लग गया, छोटा सा बालक। और सारे देवता जब निमाई बोले कि राधे गोविंद दामोदर माधव चित्कार कीजिए, सारे देवता लोग चित्कार करने लग गए। और ये देख के सची देवी उधर ही बेहोश हो गई। और ये आवाज सुन के जगन्नाथ मिश्रा इस रूम में आए और सची देवी को उठाने का कोशिश किए। और फिर जगन्नाथ मिश्रा पूछने लगे कि कौन आ गया, क्या हो गया। और फिर सची देवी बोलने लगे, कोई कोई लोग आ गए थे जो इस तरह निमाई को परिक्रमा लगा रहे थे और निमाई राधे गोविंद माधव दामोदर चित्कार कर रहा था और मेरे आंखों के सामने निमाई श्याम रंग का हो गया। जगन्नाथ मिश्रा बोलने लगे, शायद तुम कब कुछ सपना देख ली। और जगन्नाथ मिश्रा सची देवी को लेके गए और निमाई और सची देवी जगन्नाथ मिश्रा के साथ फिर से सो गए। और एक दिन निमाई बाहर अपने दोस्तों के साथ आंगन में ही मरकट केला खेला कर रहे थे। निमाई was playing a nice mischievous, extremely mischievous play with his friends that is called Markata Khela. Lochan Das Thakur says that Nimai was just standing like a monkey, while all other monkeys will think that there is another monkey. They will come near and near and near and very near to all the friends and Nimai. They are all standing. वो सब खड़े हैं स्टैचू की तरह, बंदर की तरह, एक पैर में। और जैसे ही बंदर लोग और पास आएंगे और करीब आएंगे, इस तरह they will like make sounds and all the monkeys will just go here and there, and all the Nimai and his friends will laugh and seeing the monkeys. But it's sometimes very, very dangerous because the monkeys can sometimes bite or hit. So one lady complained to Sachi Devi that in this way Nimai is playing with the monkeys. Sachi Devi ran to protect Nimai, came running and running and running, and And Nimai, Sachi Devi picked up a stick and started running. Nimai, Nimai, why do you trouble me so much? And Nimai ran away very, very fast. And shouting, yelling, I am not doing anything, I am not doing anything. And he ran away. And then Nimai comes back. And when he comes back, then Nimai starts breaking all the pots, everything of the house, and Sachi Devi again comes back running to the house and sees Nimai breaking all the pots out of anger that Sachi Devi disturbed his play. And then Sachi Devi stood and said, Nimai, why do you trouble me? And then Nimai started crying. And when Nimai started crying, tears like pearls were dropping from Nimai's eyes, and Sachi Devi, out of affection, caught Nimai and started embracing her, kissing him. And then Nimai got pacified. One another day, Sachi Devi was telling Nimai, can you do this? And Nimai will say, Mother, I am not able to hear you. मैं सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ. क्या बोले? फिर से बोलिए. And then Sachi Devi will say, Nimai, ये कर दो. Mama, mother, ma, I am not able to hear. And then Sachi Devi will come near and say, Nimai, इसको करो. Mama, I don't hear what you are saying. Please say it again. And then Sachi Devi understood that Nimai is simply playing pranks with her. And then Sachi Devi came and started shouting, Nimai, why do you trouble me like this? And if you are like this, how will you take care of me at the old age? Have you become old that you are not able to hear my voice? And then Nimai will simply run away laughing, Mother, I was just playing, and he'll run away. And one day Mother Sachi came to all the ladies and brought Nimai, and Mother Sachi said, कि I don't know why my Nimai is becoming so restless. इतना बदमाश क्यों हो जा रहा है Nimai? And मेरा बात नहीं सुनता है, बहुत जिद करता है. Why Nimai is becoming so adamant? I'm not understanding. What's the cause? You are all elderly ladies. You have taken care of so many sons. Please tell me what's the reason. What can I do? And then the ladies asked Nimai, who was just sitting like he has not done any mischief in his entire life, just sitting so peacefully. And the ladies asked, Nimai, why do you trouble your mother like this? Why do you do so much of mischief in the house? Why do you break pots? Why do you play with monkeys? This is not good. And Nimai will become very, very upset. I don't play like this. These are all lies. And then Sachi Devi will be very upset seeing Nimai's behavior. And then the ladies called Sachi Devi and said, look, when did this started? Nimai was not like this. Nimai was such a sober boy. He used to get sweets for us. We remember when he first started walking, he used to get so much of sweets, sweetmeats, and make us chant Hari Hari. When did Nimai become like this? You have to find out the cause. Lochan Das Thakur says, Sachi Devi said to all the ladies of the village that yes, now I remember that one night some mysterious personalities came to my house. They made Nimai sit on a throne and they were doing some puja of Nimai. And I remember from that day, Nimai is extremely behaving in a most restless manner. He has become so mischievous. Jagannath Mishra said that these are some of my dreams, but now I realize that actually some mysterious personalities that night came. Lochan Das Thakur says, the ladies, they said to Sachi Devi that, Sachi, we all agree, we all understand that these mysterious personalities were some ghosts and tantrics. And these tantrics, because your son is so beautiful, so effulgent, these tantrics have come to capture your son. And Sachi Devi became extremely afraid to hear this from the ladies, because these ladies were extremely elderly, very, very elderly and experienced ladies. They had themselves raised so many children. And then this lady said to Sachi Devi that you have to perform a yajna, inviting all the brahmanas to relieve Nimai of this tantric spell. And then Sachi Devi goes back to the house, informs all the details to Jagannath Mishra, and Jagannath Mishra, just to please his wife Mother Sachi, invited all brahmanas, collected all the paraphernalia and performed a wonderful yajna in his house. And then the brahmana said to Mother Sachi that now you please take Nimai and give him a very nice bath in the Ganges. Now he is completely purified of everything. And then Mother Sachi took Nimai and bathed Nimai nicely in Ganges and wiped off Nimai's body. And Nimai was dazzling like molten gold. And then Mother Sachi was returning back, and then Mother Sachi asked, Nimai, why do you behave like this? This is not fitting for a Brahmana, for a son of a Brahmana. And then Nimai ran from Sachi Devi's hand and started running. And there was a place behind Sachi Devi's courtyard which had lot of earthen pots which were jhuta. And Nimai started going that place and started breaking all those pots, and again Nimai was covered with soot, and Sachi Devi started running and shouting at Nimai, Nimai, this is all impure. Don't you understand what is pure and impure? Why do you behave like this? And then Nimai said, pure and impure? Nothing in this age of Kali is pure except the chanting of Krishna's holy name. Krishna is the essence, Krishna's holy name is the essence of all religion. And the only thing that is pure in Kali Yuga is the chanting of Hare Krishna, chanting of Krishna's name. He didn't say Hare Krishna, but chanting of Krishna's holy names. Why you are telling me all this pure and impure? What is pure in this age of Kali? And Sachi Devi was astonished that a small boy of age 4 was speaking such elaborate philosophy of purity and impurity, and Sachi Devi caught hold of Nimai's hand in anger and dragged Nimai back to Ganges, and again took Nimai, gave Nimai nice bathing, and then wiped off again, and again brought Nimai back to the house where Jagannath Mishra was waiting for the lunch. Sachi Devi said to Jagannath Mishra that this son is speaking such philosophy of pure, impure, and now just I gave him such a wonderful bathing, and then he went to get again impure, and he was playing with all the pots, contaminated pots. And then Jagannath Mishra took Nimai on his lap and started crying, smelling the head of Nimai and kissing Nimai, and said, "My son is the jeweled helmet, Siromani of all the Brahmanas. One day his effulgence will lit the entire world." And Nimai, hearing this, was simply smiling, seeing the face of Jagannath Mishra. Another day, Nimai was so notorious, so adamant to get some things, and he was, when Nimai would become adamant, like I have seen some kids becoming adamant when they go with their parents, like when we go to Yatra and then there are kids. I don't know, because I am a sannyasi, I don't know dealing with the kids and all, but in Yatras, sometimes we have to go through the shops, because temples, wherever there are temples, there are shops, and in shops they are so intelligent. These businessmen, they are so intelligent, they know how to attract children. Then they will make sound, pool, some sound, and then as soon as the sound will be heard, that the kids will say, "Papa, Papa, I need this," and then the father will say, mother will say, "We just gave you one toy, why do you need another toy?" No, I need this toy, I need this toy, I need this. And they will start beating the ground, they will start rolling on the ground, they will start crying. And this is just a tiny fragment of what Nimai did in Sachi Mata's courtyard. Nimai is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. When Supreme Personality of Godhead wants to become adamant, wants to perform the leelas of an adamant child, who can really convince him and satisfy him? And one day Nimai was so adamant, he started beating the floor again and again with his leg, that "I want this." And Mother Sachi was so frustrated seeing Nimai's such behavior, which is completely against the principles of being a sober Brahmana. Mother Sachi started beating her forehead with her hand and saying, "Alas, alas, Nimai, what you are doing?" And then Nimai straight again went back to the place where the pots and mud pots were being stored, contaminated pots, and started meddling and playing and breaking those pots. And Sachi Mata again ran and said, "Alas, alas, you are a son of a Brahmana, we are from such aristocratic Brahmana family, Nimai, what you are doing? Again and again you are playing the same pranks." I am telling you, just come down from the mud pots. And Nimai said, I am telling you, first you hear. There is nothing called purity in this age of Kali. Everything in this age of Kali is impure. Why don't you hear what I am speaking? And Mother Sachi it was like the words of Nimai were like thunder. And Nimai was just a small boy of 4 years old. And Mother Sachi again said, Nimai, I tell you, you get down. And then at that moment, Nimai took a small mud pot piece and started throwing and telling, I will not come down. And Lochan Das Thakur says that this small little bit of mud piece hit the forehead of Sachi Mata. It didn't hurt her, but Sachi Mata was so frustrated seeing the behavior of Nimai, she fainted at that place. And Nimai thought that, oh my God, my mother fainted. And then Nimai started coming and crying, Mother, please get up, Mother, please get up. Hearing the crying of Nimai, hearing the sound that Sachi Mata fainted, all the neighboring ladies came to the spot. Some ladies brought some water from Ganges and started sprinkling on Sachi Devi's face, and then Sachi Devi got up and again said, Nimai, Viswambhar, why do you trouble me? And again fainted. And then Nimai started crying, seeing the condition of his mother. And then the ladies started speaking to Nimai, oh Nimai, just see what you have done with your mother. Now, and one lady among the entire group of ladies said that Nimai, now if you want your mother to get up, you have to get instantly 2 coconuts, green coconuts, that we call in Bengali dab. And to the amazement, astonishment of all the ladies that were assembled there, Nimai just waved his hand like this and brought 2 fresh green coconuts. And the ladies were just wonderstruck. And they were just wondering, Nimai, from where did you bring these coconuts? And then Nimai said, please bring my mother back to senses. And before the ladies could even grab the coconuts, Nimai kept the coconuts down and put her hand on the shoulder of Sachi Devi and started crying and roaring and wailing. And then Sachi Devi got up. And then the ladies were now so shocked what they saw. They said to Sachi, do you know, are you seeing these 2 coconuts? Do you know how these coconuts came? These coconuts just came by the waving of hand of this little boy Nimai. We really don't know how these coconuts came. This Nimai knows some mantras. And then Sachi Devi remembered what the sage had predicted, who came during the birth of Nimai, that this boy will be having mysterious powers and will be equal in the strength like Narayan. And then Sachi Devi remembered that yes, this boy was telling that there is nothing pure and impure for Narayan. Narayan is beyond the material world, material body, material modes. And because of which my boy is again and again telling me that nothing is pure, nothing is impure. I cannot become impure. And then Sachi Devi started putting Dandavat to Nimai. And then Nimai was so upset because his mother was putting Dandavat. And Nimai started crying again. And when Nimai started crying again, Sachi Devi grabbed Nimai. As soon as Sachi Devi grabbed Nimai and put him on her lap and started smelling Nimai's forehead, crying, tears, Nimai started smiling. And Sachi Devi forgot everything about Lord's majesty. Started chanting some mantras and again made a special tabeej and let Nimai wear that tabeej. And in the same night, Sachi Devi was so tired of the days, all these things that happened in the same night. Lochan Das Thakur says, Nimai again starts demanding that I want something. And Sachi Devi says, whatever you want, Nimai, I will give you. And then Nimai looks at the sky and says, Mother, I need that. And then Sachi Devi looks at the sky and sees the moon. And Nimai says, I need the moon. And Sachi Devi says, how will I get moon for you, Nimai? Nimai says, you just now said that you will get everything whatever I say, and now you get me the moon. And then Mother Sachi said, Petu, Nimai, how do I get the moon? I am a simple village lady. And then Nimai started crying again in the night and started yelling and catching the sari of Sachi Devi and pulling the hairs of Sachi Devi, crying and beating the hands and the legs on the floor and saying, I need the moon, I need the moon, I need the moon. You just now said you will give me everything. And then Sachi Devi took Nimai again to her lap and started telling Nimai, your body has so many moons. You see, your nails are moons. You have 20 moons and your face is like a moon. Why do you want the moon that is poisonous? You see the black spots in the moon that are poison. It will really destroy your body. Please take your dinner. And I will tell you a lot of stories and we will take rest together. And as soon as Nimai heard this, that Mother Sachi will tell wonderful stories, Nimai said, yes, I will take dinner and you will tell me stories. And then Mother Sachi feeds Nimai wonderful dinner. And then Nimai goes to sleep hearing the stories of Mother Sachi. In this way, Lochan Das Thakur explains that Nimai really gave the most wonderful nectarine experience of being the most mischievous small child. And Mother Sachi simply drowned in Vatshalya Ras by the mischievous pranks of Nimai. And what all other mischief Nimai did in Mother Sachi's courtyard. And what all things Jagannath Mishra and Mother Sachi had to tolerate, and how Nimai really drowned Mother Sachi and Jagannath Mishra in this mood of Vatshalya Prem. टू हियर, ये सब सुनने के लिए प्लीज़ कम फॉर टुमारोज कथा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय, निमाय जय निताय। समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की, शिल प्रभुपाद की निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे।